Open eye first. April 26, 2026. Welcome all friends in the Dhamma. In the practice, first, you must know the knower, how to wake up the knower. The knower wake up when you got eye contact with mindfulness. Knower wake up. Ear contact with mindfulness. Knower wake up. When the knower wake up, you feel like you got the knower. Observe yourself. Okay? So you must be able to wake up the knower by open eye first. Look at me mindfully. There is the knower. Observe yourself. Listen to me mindfully. With mindfulness, the knower wake up. The whole day, the knower never wake up because you're not mindful. You are unconscious. You got thought. Knower will not wake up. Okay? Six sensory door. With mindfulness, knower wake up. So that's why before you close your eye, wake up the knower first. Otherwise you close your eye, the knower not wake up, then not wake up for the whole period. Wake up first. Just look at me mindfully. Listen to me mindfully. Eat mindfully. There is the knower. Observe how you eat. Drink mindfully. There is a knower. Observe how you drink. Swallowing mindfully. Touch mindfully. Close mindfully. And body contact. Wash your face mindfully. This is the knower. Observe. You are washing your face. If the knower not wake up, then useless. You do meditation, no progress. So, body contact. Mindful, touching. There is the knower. Observe yourself. Now you forgot the breath. The knower not wake up. But if you feel your breath mindfully, knower wake up. Okay? And if you can feel your breathing each moment, it got touching inside your nostril. Can you feel touching or breathing inside your nostril? More each moment. Knower wake up. Each moment there is a contact between your breath and the nostril surface. Okay? Knower wake up. So that's why you need to observe and notice. First you observe with your mindfulness. Observe yourself, then you got mindfulness. Okay? But when you observe yourself, what you are doing, you are sitting. But notice you are sitting and you are breathing mindfully or not. If you notice your breathing mindfully, knower wake up. Notice breathing each moment. Slow motion. Can you notice from heart? or can you just stay focused from your heart? Attention. Keep attention. Each moment. Oh, wake up. Attention from heart. Or stay focused on your breathing. How stay focused? Even you listen to my talk, look at me. Can you stay focused? Heartbeat, rhythm. Your heart stay focused. Stay focused, not put focus, not put concentration, not your eye to focus. No. Your heart can focus. Bodily movement, body action, heartbeat, pulsation, breathing. Your heart, you must stay focused. Stay, your heart stay at home inside and focus from your home. This is your home, this is your office. When you stay focused, you can stay focused, sensation. Each moment, no more wake up. Okay? So, no more wake up. Because sensation of breathing comes from touching. It's touching different point inside the nostril. Can you notice? Sometimes it's touching here inside, here, the left, the right, or in front. Can you notice the touching? Because I tell you, touching by eye we call eye contact, ear contact. And if you got mindfulness, seeing, hearing mindfully, no more wake up. So now, body contact, no more wake up. And this is body contact as well, breathing. Okay. So then we just notice sensation or stay focused sensation on the touching. Okay. I use to stay focused because if stay focused is from heart, you can stay focused sensation of breathing. But if you focus from your thought, you can focus your breath, but difficult to focus sensation. Okay? Can you stay focused sensation of body? From heart, you can stay focused. But if you put concentration, cannot see sensation. Because from heart, it got perception, it got a lot of thought. It makes you blind. Cannot see. Can only see form of body setting, but cannot see sensation. Sensation we focus from heart. For example, can you stay focused on the whole body, 4 element sensation? Stay focused. No more wake up. So if no one not wake up, you waste your time in the practice. So you must wake up the knower from the beginning by opening eye. Look at a monk, listen to monk mindfully. Knower wake up. And eating mindfully, knower wake up. Drink mindfully, knower wake up. Body contact. Wash your face, wash your body mindfully. There is a knower, observe what you are doing. More the knower, it become observer. Okay? There is observer from the inner wake up. Observe you. We want to wake up the knower. How you know the knower wake up? It got observing yourself. Okay? It look like now Sometimes you got mindfulness, sometimes you lose mindfulness, sometimes you have mindfulness, it looks like someone observe you. Okay? But you only sometimes got mindfulness, sometimes lost mindfulness, got mindfulness, lost mindfulness. Now you need to observe. Uh, you need to be mindful on six sensory door contact. When you got mindfulness in six sensory door contact, no will wake up. Seeing mindfully, hearing mindfully, eating mindfully, drinking mindfully. Okay? And now, body contact, including your breathing. You are breathing in long, it got sensation or not? Okay? How to notice sensation? I use notice, or I use the word stay focused. When first you notice first, notice and aware natural breathing first. When you notice more and more, you want to notice each moment, more attention, stay focused on sensation. Sensation is more subtle, okay? Stay focused on sensation of breathing. First, notice breathing in long, breathing out long, notice and aware. Okay? After that, stay focused. Each moment of breathing in long, you got more contact, more novel wake up. Novel wake up more, it got vipassana jhana. Okay? So that's why in daily life, not blur. Look mindfully. You got no one observe you. Listen mindfully. You got observe, no one observe you. Eat mindfully. You got no one observe you. In daily life, just way of mindfulness. Then you got no one every moment, each moment, each moment. And then when you do meditation practice, just notice movement. Okay, notice. Now you must learn about mindfulness of the whole body, Kaya Kata Sati. Because the Buddha tells us to be mindful, contemplate Kaya Kata Sati, 6 lessons. First, just mindfulness of breathing. Mindfulness of breathing, you got nowhere. Second lesson, mindfulness of sitting, walking, standing, sleeping, you got nowhere. Observe, you are sitting, you are walking, you are standing, you are sleeping. And the third lesson, mindfulness of bodily action, or contemplation of bodily action. And the fourth lesson, contemplation of dirtiness, cool, warm, fulfillment, sensation of fulfillment, then no wake up. And the fifth lesson, contemplation of fulfillment. The fourth lesson, contemplation of dirtiness, cool, warm, and dirty or clean or tired. Okay. And the next lesson, the sixth lesson, when you see dirtiness, you can see fulfillment. Notice fulfillment. More notice, more awareness. Notice and aware is the noble wake up. Aware more, you see this body getting aging and dead. Okay? Getting old, aging, every day aging and dead. Okay? But now what you practice, you only practice lesson 1. Notice your breathing, each moment, breathing, each moment long, or doesn't matter, it's short. we practice Anapanasati is only lesson 1. Kaya Kata Sati, more you fulfill Sati Patan 4. Kaya Kata Sati got 6 lessons. The first lesson is mindfulness of breathing. Now, just mindfulness of breathing or contemplation of breathing. Contemplation of breathing means just more contemplation of breathing sensation. Normally you do concentration on breathing, but when you want to contemplate sensation, you need contemplation from awareness. Stay mindful, stay aware, know what you know, let it be, don't force your breathing, then you can realize subtle breathing or sensation of breathing. Okay? And more you got realization of sensation of breathing, breathing become shorter. Because more you can realize sensation of breathing, your mind is calm. You only breathing shorter. Then more notice breathing sensation inside the nostril when breathing becomes shorter. Okay? Notice only inside the mass of breathing, movement inside. It got surface inside your nostril. It got different point of touching. Okay? Then more wake up if you can notice more every point of touching, or you need more attention. You need more. Stay focused. Stay focused is from here. Not focused by your mind here. This is mind, this is heart. We stay focused from heart. Okay? That's why stay focused from heart, you got awareness. Okay? Seeing by awareness. When you see by awareness, you can see sensation. Okay? Sensation. That's right. Sensation of breathing. Stay aware and notice. Notice more each moment. Focus. Stay focused. Stay focused, you can stay focused like the rhythm of pulsation. Can you stay focused? The rhythm of pulsation? No more, wake up. Because pulsation is very subtle. You know by heart. You cannot put concentration on the pulsation. No. You cannot focus pulsation, but you can stay focused sensation. Stay focused from here. Now today, stay focused sensation of breathing just inside the nostril. Sensation. Then it becomes particle of breathing, mass of breathing. So now we learn how to stay focused. Each moment of breathing or stay focused on sensation of breathing. Okay. Use your heart. More you stay focused on sensation of breathing, no tomorrow, no yesterday, only the present moment. No the future, no the past. The present moment here. More each moment of sensation you can rely and you can stay focused more sharply. More novel wake up. And now, when the knower wake up, just relax, look up. When you sit up, upright position, it will help more wake up. Upright position. Now, upright position, stay focused. You know, first your mindfulness still blur, 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 blur. If you upright position, mindfulness wake up here, not left, not right. There is mindfulness free from thought is here. And stay focused, you got mindfulness inside. Wake up from emotion. Stay focused, you got mindfulness outside, inside. Work together. Observe, notice, observe how you sitting, how you breathing. Observe from mindfulness outside. Notice and aware. Notice mindfulness inside, you got more awareness. First, observe. Observe generally how you sit, how you breathe, and notice together. Observe and notice, observe and notice. Then you get good mindfulness. Observe outside, notice mindfulness inside. Mindfulness inside will develop awareness. And now when you got together, observe and notice more, not stirring, not stirring. Then it stay focused. It just in the center line. From here, you just sit upright. It look like it got the dimension inside. Wake up. We go to now. This is body is a body dimension, but inside it become more open up to the dimension inside. Okay, dimension inside is your spirit. Okay. Now you need to wake up your spirit by sit upright. Make good mindfulness outside. Observe. Observe your breathing, your body action. But how to observe each moment? Attention, attention. Notice every moment of body reaction. Notice each moment of breathing. You need more mindfulness inside. Notice. Notice you get more aware. Awareness is the knower. Okay. Notice and aware. More you got very good mindfulness. Observe and notice. More observe and notice. Observe your breathing in. Observe breathing, but notice sensation of breathing. Observe breathing in. Notice together the sensation of breathing. It got touching. Okay. When you can notice the touching, like eye touching the picture, ear touching the voice, with mindfulness, you got no wake up. But now you can notice touching of breathing on the surface of your nostril. Gently. No wake up. And then you sit upright, no wake up from here. Up to here. It look like you got knower. Do meditation from the knower. You sitting, the knower look like there is the spirit inside sitting and do meditation from the sitting, from the spirit inside. Okay? Now we just notice each moment of breathing, your spirit wake up. Okay? Or the knower. Knower is the spirit. In Buddhist tradition, we call knower. In Christianity, we call spirit. Okay? Now, we practice today meditation from our spirit or the knower. Even you close your eye, but it look like if you sit upright, it wake up here. And here, they got mindfulness. Observe. Observe breathing, but mindfulness inside. Notice each moment of breathing. More spirit wake up. Okay. Observe and notice. Observe and notice. More. Very good. Observe and notice. Not blur, not lost. Observe clearly, notice clearly. I use the word stay focused. It's stay home already and focus from home. Stay focused. Sensation of breathing or stay focused. Breathing clearly each moment. No clearly breathing in, that means no clearly each moment. Okay? First, we feel relaxed with breathing. But knowing clearly, that means you have to stay focused inside the feeling of breathing called sensation. Okay? So now, beginner, focus the breath. Intermediate, feel breathing. Okay? But advanced, stay focused on breathing sensation. 3 levels. If beginner focus the breath, you can close your eye and focus the breath from the breath. This is beginner. Okay? Everybody start from here. Intermediate, just wake up and feel breathing. And feel breathing more, your mindfulness wake up. Can observe breathing. Mindfulness wake up from outside, then got mindfulness inside, notice. Develop mindfulness inside, notice. More notice, more awareness. Awareness is the knower. No wake up. And now you only in daily life, aware of your seeing, aware of your hearing. Before you seeing, you're not aware. Okay? You lost in thought. You hearing people, you're not aware. You think something else. Now aware hearing, aware seeing, aware eating, aware drinking. This is the practice. Your spirit wake up, or the knower wake up, and it look like your spirit see this person behavior, talking good or bad. Okay, got good sila or break sila, got 5 precepts or break 5 precepts. Your spirit is observer, observing this person doing good, not doing bad. Okay. Now, so in the beginning of the practice, calmness, meditation, Christianity and Buddhism the same. Calmness, meditation. Calmness, then you get into connect to your spirit. Okay, connect to your knower. But for the Buddhist practice, we beyond the spirit. We contemplate this body, not me, not your. It's only for men. Buddhists go more vipassana. Okay, but in the beginning, Christianity with loving kindness, then spirit wake up. For Buddhist way, eat mindfully, drink mindfully, listen mindfully. Okay, see mindfully, knower wake up. Okay, and more eat mindfully, drink mindfully, and also with loving kindness, share to people. More power of loving kindness wake up. Okay, so that's why we just wake up first. In Buddhist philosophy, we call the knower. Knower wake up, and the knower wake up. The knower can choose where to rebirth. When the last minute, when you are in the coma state, just stay focused your breathing until the last breath. Then knower wake up. and then you can make your intention to come to Buddhist country, okay? The last minute. Or Dalai Lama can choose to reborn in Tibet or wherever the Lama want to rebirth again, okay? No, wake up, you got the light, okay? And go rebirth. And the last minute, but you know, why we practice mindfulness of breathing? Because when we are in coma state, we lose all perception. We only know our breathing. Maybe you got drug, you got medication. You cannot control yourself, but you still breathing or not? Just feel your breathing, and then more sensation of breathing, very subtle. Then the light come up. Your spirit wake up. So that's why today we still got good health. We practice first, feel our breathing. And next step, just mindfulness, observe breathing, and mindfulness inside, notice sensation of breathing. Mindfulness of breathing, this is anapanasati. But what mindfulness? Observe, notice. Okay? People don't know, they only put concentration. They not observe. When you observe, you can notice something. Observe your breathing in long. You can notice sensation of breathing in long. If you observe generally, breathing in long, breathing out long. But you notice more each moment. Each moment, then you can notice sensation because it got touching the surface of the breathing way. It got sensation. Yeah. Also, you observe the way you sit, but you can notice how you feel with your body in this aircon. It got sensation or not? So that's why when you notice sensation, we use the word contemplation of sensation. Okay? Contemplation of sensation. That means develop more vipassana contemplation. Contemplation of sensation of your breathing. It got mass. It got movement inside, touching different points. Can you contemplate sensation of breathing? More jhana, vipassana jhana, wake up. So now you just contemplate breathing sensation or the touching of breathing. Before you only focus your breath, or maybe intermediate level, you feel your breathing relaxingly, you get calmness. Feel your breathing, you get calmness, but you need to develop lower wake up. When feeling your breathing, notice sensation of breathing. Okay? So that's why maybe you can feel relax the whole body and notice sensation of body. Okay? When you can notice sensation of body, you got lower wake up. Understand now? Yeah, so now open eye. Sit upright. Because when you sit upright, you got mindfulness outside, not stirring. Mindfulness outside, observe. It observe like it's scanning, observe and see. And inside, notice and aware. Observe and see, notice and aware. It becomes stay focused. You can stay focused any part of body from good mindfulness outside and inside. Stay focused. Can you stay focused on earth element? Muscle movement. Can you stay focused on fire element? Can you stay focused? Water element. Can you stay focused? Air element. You don't have to think. You got good mindfulness outside and inside. Not stirring. It connect together. It work together. It work together. Then you can stay focused on any part of body. Stay focused on the right shoulder. Not by eye, from heart. Stay focused on the left shoulder. Stay focused on your back, on the spine, spine straight up. Straight up. Can you stay focused on the spine straight up? Straight up or not? Stay focused on the sitting upright. This is right concentration from Chitta, from your heart. Stay focused. So that's why you need upright position. That's why the Buddha said, sit upright. Then you got good mindfulness, observe. Outside, observe the way you sit. Good mindfulness inside, notice. Observe and notice work together. Okay. Observe and notice more. It become stay focused from the inner. Stay focused on your face. Stay focused on your hair. Stay focused on your body, skin. Stay focused. It work together. Mindfulness, inside, outside, work together. It got powerful. It got right concentration. Stay focused. This time I come, I want to teach you how to stay focused. You need sit upright, more upright. Yes, stay focused. When you stay focused on what? Stay focused on breathing each moment, the sensation. You do right. Each no thought. Stay focused on sensation of breathing. You got no more wake up. And now today, we not focus by keep your head down and focus. No, this is wrong concentration. We sit upright, face up, smiling up. Your heart can stay focused. Any part of body. Stay focused on your breathing and sensation of breathing each moment. Stay focused. More you got awareness. Each moment you stay focused, that means each moment you got every moment mindfulness, wake up with awareness, wake up. It look like the knower or your spirit. Observe, there is observer. Observe your breathing from the observer, from the knower or the spirit, and close your eye. Your meditation comes from your spirit or the knower. Because you wake, your knower wake up, spirit wake up by good mindfulness, outside, inside, connect together and stay focused. Observe and notice. Observe and notice each moment of breathing. Observe and notice each moment. Now you do meditation from the inner. Stay focused, that means mindfulness outside, inside work together. Not from your thought. From observe, notice, and aware. More aware, more spirit wake up, more knower wake up. Stay focused. Wake up now. The knower wake up. The knower observe this person. And the knower notice subtle breathing. And can notice sensation of the whole body. And sensation of all mental phenomena. Oh, this body not you. It's only sensation only. Okay? This body and any feeling is only sensation. Sensation arising, disappearing. When you stay focused, you wake up already, you don't need to close your eye. It already practice meditation. You don't have to close your eye, practice meditation by your body. No. You practice by the spirit. Then spirit contemplate this body, earth element, fire element, dirtiness, and got illness, sickness, and death. When the knower wake up, whatever you do with the knower, you got vipassana. Okay? And the knower observe body outside into formation, muscle, chest, it got movement, earth element, water element, and sweat element, and fire element, warm and cool. And contemplate four elements inside the body as well. From spirit can contemplate four elements of the body outside and inside. That's right. This is really not me. I got blind with desire. Now I wake up already. When you wake up, breathing very smooth and subtle. It's explore how you breathing in, very smooth, subtle, long, deep, gentle. Before you have to breathe in long, you try to breathe in long. But when the knower, your spirit wake up, they can observe breathing in long naturally. Long and subtle, soft and subtle. And you and go to the pause or empty, breathing into empty. Breathing out long to the emptiness. Everything go to emptiness or go to disappearing, nothingness, and arising again. Now you wake up already. It's no different. Closing eye or open eye, no different. Now you got contemplation of sensation of body, outside, inside. When you close your eye, everything is sensation. What you know, this is Mr. A, Mr. B, only sensation. Because it got four elements. Okay? You are sensation. Because you got four elements. Arising, disappearing. Contemplation of sensation of body outside and body inside. Stay focused together. When you got contemplation of body outside, stay focused on each sensation arising, disappearing. Okay? Then you can see clearly from your heart. Every part of your body is got sensation arising, disappearing. Stay focused. Contemplation and stay focused together. You can contemplation, clear contemplation. Because stay focused is power of meditation. With power of meditation, when you got contemplation, very clear contemplation, let it go. This body getting old already. And actually, even it young, old or older, it's not you, it's only sensation. This body not me, it's only sensation. Because it is the composition of four elements. with formant, then it makes sensation, like changing, arising, disappear, sensation. It's just sensation. But because you not wake up, you just clinking, then you got, oh, I'm tired, I got pain. No, if you wake up, it's no pain, it's only sensation. When you not wake up, oh, I pain, I tired, because you not wake up, you got attachment, you got perception attachment, then it's the cause of suffering. Then you can contemplate suffering and the cause of suffering. Sometimes you not wake up, then it become suffering. Okay. But when you wake up, suffering of body, not suffering to your heart, because it's not suffering, because it only sensation. Okay. It only transformation. Okay. When you wake up, it's just sensation. When you not wake up, it's pain. It suffer. Because you not wake up, your spirit clinging. Okay? When you wake up, your spirit wake up. Your spirit can regard this body into sensation. Everything is sensation. Breathing is sensation. Body is sensation. Mind is sensation. Thought is sensation as well. But it's more negative sensation, then it becomes thought. Okay. Or mental phenomena is sensation. Okay. Contemplation of everything is sensation. But when you got ignorant, it becomes sankhara, thought. Okay. It's just sensation. Leave it there. Leave it there. Just regard it only non-self. Sensation arising, disappearing, then non-self. And now just review your practice. How you regard this body as you or just sensation. Your spirit wake up, then it regard this body as sensation. If the spirit or the knower not wake up, then you got ignorant. You got blind. Oh, this is me. I'm happy. I'm unhappy. I'm suffering. I'm sad. Okay? And now let's just review your practice. How clear understanding you got. Let it be, let it go, because this body only sensation. Okay? Taste delicious food is only sensation. Breathing is sensation. Okay? Feeling sensation. And now just stay calm and conscious regarding as sensation, then it non-self, it arising, disappearing. Then you can regard the reality. Each moment it got 4 elements. Breathing is only element. Body it got 4 elements, and it got relaxation. It got space element, and it got consciousness element. Who is the knower? And know the knower together. See the knower. Then you wake up with the knower to develop more vipassana on this body, not you, not your. This body only 4 elements, arising, disappearing, anicca, dukkha, anatta. And we finish this session. Sadhu.